In this video, I'll talk about 7 money-making apps that can help you to increase your income on daily basis. So if you're someone who is interested in using your smartphone to start something for yourself, or you are just interested in increasing your income like through side hustle and all that, I believe this particular video is going to help you. So guys, all you have to do is to stick to this video and I believe it will be helpful to you. So let's get started. So guys, now before we start this video, I'd like to say that I'm not using all the 7 apps at once, but at least 4 of them have been helping me to increase my income, which was way more than what I used to get paid at my job. So if you're someone who is in your job or you want to start something on your own with your smartphone, at least one of these apps can help you to increase your income. So guys, app number 1 I'll talk about in this video is Airbnb. Now, Airbnb is a platform for those who have houses and apartments. So if you're someone who have a house or apartment, you can go on Airbnb and list these properties there. So it's basically about hosting people. So if people are moving into the country, you can host them, or maybe someone is moving from one region to the other within the country too, you can host them on the platform. So sometimes to some people just feel like, let's just move out from our house and go get a different feeling somewhere. So people have just been moving through using this app. So guys, this is a bit different from hotel. It's just like hotel, but Airbnb makes you feel more home. So people have been using this to make money. But what about if you don't have an apartment or a house on your own? You see, if you don't have a house or apartment on your own, you can use other people's house or apartment. That is, some people have nice apartments, but they don't have Airbnb account. So you can go out there, create the account in your name, but you let them know exactly what you are doing. Let them know the benefits it will have between you and them, so that any successful transaction that goes on, you can get a commission from there. So Airbnb is a great app that you can start using. You can just use your smartphone. You don't need a laptop or computer or something like that. Just use your smartphone and get started. You might probably be asking, what or how can I be paid? How will Airbnb pay you? Now, Airbnb payment is in different ways. You can get paid through PayPal. You can get paid through bank account. You can also get paid through Payoneer. So depending on the payment methods that you have, you can just fill in your payment method and then they'll be paying you based on how people are coming. So if someone is coming, the person has to make payments directly through your bank or through your payment method before coming to the place. So basically that's how it works. If you have an apartment or your family has an apartment which is nice and all that, you can start this business small before you realize you blow, Charlie. That's how you can get started little by little. App number 2 is booking.com. Now, booking.com also works similar as Airbnb, but booking.com is more of hotel, okay? Mostly they deal with hotels. So hotels can list their platforms, or hotels can list their business on the platform, and then anytime someone is coming into the country or moving from one place to the other, the person can use the booking.com to book hotel directly. But as I said, some hotels are not on the booking.com app, so you can go in there and create the account in your name, let the manager know that this is what you intend to do, so that any successful client that comes in, you can also get some commission. Don't go there and be trying to outsmart the business owner or the property owner. If you are doing that, you end yourself or you put yourself into a different trouble. So guys, just make sure you go there with a good intention, and definitely this can also help you to make some income for yourself. So app number 3 is Scopa News. Now, Scopa News is a platform that gives you the opportunity to write articles and get paid. I did so many videos about Scopa News, but one thing that is currently going on is that they are not paying people like how they used to pay people. And now too, if you apply on the platform, it will take a long time before you can, they'll approve you. Sometimes they will not even approve you if you did not, put in the right, or you did not apply well. So I did a video on how to apply step by step on Scopa News. You can check that video in the description below. I believe it will help you. And if you apply, you just have to wait for them to get back to you. Sometimes they'll not even get back at all. You can apply again. So guys, it will help you to start your writing journey. The money will be small, but as time goes on, they can increase it or you can get the experience to create your own blog. So these are some of the things you need to know. Now, when it comes to payment, Scopa News pay directly into your Momo wallet. So anytime you reach like $10, they'll pay you directly into your Momo wallet. Some people have been making like $20 a day. People have been making like $30 a day. Some people make over $100 a month on the Scopa News platform. It depends on the level at which you are. If you are consistently writing, they'll keep paying you more. So guys, app number 4 that can also help you to increase your income is TikTok. Now, TikTok is one of the powerful platforms that we have now, especially because of how they have an open algorithm where anytime you post content, your content can just go viral even if you have 0 followers. So it's one powerful platform that is giving people the chance to make money these days. So there are different ways that you can use TikTok to make money. One is by creating content. If you create content and you reach some number of followers, like 1,000 followers, they'll start paying you. But recently, a TikToker showed me something and I went into my TikTok account and I've seen that even though I'm not up to 1,000 followers, I already have like $4 in my account, not even knowing that I have this $4 in my account. So guys, so if you are creating the content, definitely they'll start paying you. So that's one way, creating content. Then the second way is by publishing or promoting your personal business. So let's say if you work in the fashion industry, you can just be taking pictures or videos of your stuff and be posting it on TikTok. As I said, they have an open algorithm where your videos can just go viral at any time. So maybe just one video can give you a lot of customers. So you can use TikTok to promote your personal business. Then the third way people use is affiliate marketing. If you're an affiliate marketer, you can take advantage of TikTok to drive traffic to your page, to your Facebook page, to your website, or wherever it is. You can drive more traffic there and get people to, buy whatever you are putting in front of them. So guys, these are some of the ways that you can use TikTok to make some money for yourself. Now, the fifth app I'll talk about is YouTube. Now, YouTube, as I did so many videos about it already, is also one of the biggest platforms that can help you to increase your income or to start a business like your information business from scratch. If you have something to share or you have a knowledge or you went through some experiences, you can share that on YouTube, and definitely some people are ready to listen to you. If they are loving your content or they are loving what you are sharing with them, they'll subscribe to your YouTube channel. And if you reach like 1,000 followers or even 500 followers and you are sharing shorts, they'll start paying you. But if you are sharing long videos, you have to reach like 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. After that, they'll start paying you into your bank account. So guys, that's how YouTube also works. So apart from sharing your information on YouTube too, the other ways that you can use YouTube to make money is by promoting your products, just like you can be promoting it on TikTok. You can also be doing affiliate marketing. You can also be doing affiliate marketing with YouTube, where you'll be leaving links to whatever you recommend to people in the description below. Anytime they click, then it will take them straight to buy some product or service that you are recommending to them. So guys, basically, these are some of the ways you can take advantage of YouTube to also make some money for yourself. YouTube also pays into your bank account on a monthly basis. And the difference between YouTube and TikTok payment is that TikTok, if you're able to reach their threshold, you can transfer that money and get paid. But as for YouTube, you have to wait until the end of the month. So these are some of the things you need to know, guys. So platform number 6 is Facebook. So as you can see, all the content creating platforms, they have the same procedure for you to increase your income, or if you are someone who is finding methods to make money, the content creation platform have the same method. And the same way, you can use one video and share it on all these platforms and use it to increase your income. So meaning this video, I can use this video and paste it on TikTok or post it on YouTube, and at the same time post it on Instagram or other social media platforms. So if all these platforms have reached their threshold and they're paying me, I'll still be making money from there. So on Facebook, you can create content. You can also market your personal products. You can also do affiliate marketing with YouTube. So the same strategy that you can use to increase your income. The very last one is gg.com. Now, gg.com is one of the local platforms where you can list products on. It's an e-commerce platform where you can list your used products on, or products that you are selling on. Used products sells more. So if you are getting used products to buy from some other people, you can resell it on gg.com, and right now you get a lot of people to buy this product, because some people, they don't have enough money. So if you are putting these products on the gg.com app, people will come and buy it because your price will be better than the new ones. So this is where we'll end the video now. Let me know which of these apps you are currently trying, or which one you intend to try as time goes on. I believe this video has been helpful, guys. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more finance videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. See you guys. Bye.